हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू अनदर वीडियो फार्मर रिसर्चर। तो आज मैं डिस्कस करूंगा जीपैट 2018 ईयर के रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चंस। तो लास्ट वीडियो में हमने इनिशियल 65 क्वेश्चंस कर लिए थे। तो जिसने भी ये वीडियो नहीं देखी है वो जाके इस वीडियो को देखे। एंड रिमेनिंग 60 क्वेश्चंस इस वीडियो में डिस्कस किए जाएंगे। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं वीडियो को। So question number 66 is, as per USP, test limit for treated soda lime glass with container size of 200 ml is, and the correct answer is option C, 0.20 ml of 0.02 normal acid. Next question is, in plasma, phenobarbital is present as ionized and unionized forms in equal amount because, and the correct answer is option D, because pKa of the phenobarbital is 7.4. Next question is, a material which is insoluble and inert and used in matrix tablet formulation is, and the correct answer is option A, polyethylene. Next question is, which test is done for USP type 1 glass containers for injections? And the correct answer is option B, powdered glass test. Next question is, isoelectric point of type A gelatin is, and the correct answer is option C, pH 9.0. Next question is, what is the effective ratio of methyl paraben and propyl paraben for antimicrobial activity? And the correct answer is option D, 10:1. Next question is, which of the following formula is used to determine shelf life as per first order reaction? And the correct answer is option B, that is T90 is equal to 0.104 per K. Next question is, following are endogenous carriers used for targeted drug delivery system except, and the correct answer is option D, microparticulates. Next question is, the friability issue of the tablet can be solved by different ways except, and the correct answer is option D, adjusting the lower punch pressure of the tablet machine. Next question is, what are the specific surface per unit volume (SP) of spherical particles with density of 3 gram per centimeter cube and volume surface diameter (dVs) of 2.57 micrometer? And the correct answer is option B, that is 2.33 into 10 is to power 3 centimeter square per centimeter cube. Next question is, in a free flowing powder, the bulk density and tap density would be close in value, therefore the Carr's index would be, and the correct answer is option number A, small. Next question is, buffer capacity is also referred to as, and the correct answer is option D, all of these, that is buffer index, buffer value and buffer efficiency. Next question is, Keesum interactions has a force of, and the correct answer is option B, 1 to 1.127 kilocalories per mole. Next question is, London induced dipoles are also known as, and the correct answer is option C, device forces. Next question is, the interfacial tension of oleic acid against water at 20 degrees Celsius is, and the correct answer is option A, 15.6. Next question is, suspensions of starch in water exhibit, and the correct answer is option C, dilatant flow. Next question is, very weak bases having pKa less than 5 is, and the correct answer is option C, are ionized at all pH values. Next question is, during determination of absorption rate constant by method of residual flip-flop phenomena occurs when Ka absorption rate constant and Ke over is constant here. So the correct answer for this question is option A, Ke by Ka is greater than equal to 3. Next question is, which of the following disinfectant effectively destroys vegetative bacterial cells, including gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria, bacterial endospores, fungi, and viruses. And the correct answer for this question is option A, 8% formaldehyde and plus 70% alcohol. Next question is, which of the following are obligatory intercellular parasites? P is virus, Q is fungus, R is mycobacterium, and S is rickettsia. So the correct answer for this is option D, that is P and S, that is virus and rickettsia. Next question is, select the correct statement. And the correct statement is option A, that is acid salt corresponding to an insoluble salt will be more water soluble than original salt. Next question is, what is the viscosity of resulting liquid after mixing 300 ml of liquid A with the 200 ml of liquid B? And the correct answer is option B, 1.4 cp. Next question is, a compound now increasingly used as standard practice for enhancing the flow of rubber latex by spraying onto the scraped bark of the rubber tree, increasing the latex yields from 36% to 130% is, and the correct answer is option C, ethafone. Next question is, the constituent of cochineal is, and the correct answer is option D, carminic acid. Next question is, the sweet taste and odor of fennel is due to, and the correct answer is option A, anethole. Next question is, catechu is used in medicine as an, and the correct answer is option D, astringent. Next question is, tropane alkaloids are biosynthesized from which amino acid? And the correct answer is option C, ornithine. Next question is, 1 mg of lycopodium contains an average of, and the correct answer is option D, 94,000 spores. Next question is, Charaka, a physician, belong to which system of medicine? And the correct answer is option A, Ayurveda. Next question is, the CCCN code indicating the botanical drugs is, and the correct answer is option C, 1211. Next question is, Ancaria gambier belongs to the family, and the correct answer is option A, Rubiaceae. Next question is, Alcana tinctoria, family Boraginaceae, roots are used in, and the correct answer is option D, that is lipstick formulations and hair dyes. Next question is, identify the clotting factor which is known as Stewart factor or thrombokinase, and the correct answer is option C, clotting factor 10. Next question is, which part of the eye is light sensitive or photosensitive, and the correct answer is option D, retina. Next question is, identify the specific site where maturation of sperm takes place, and the correct answer is option B, epididymis. Next question is, identify the hormone that stimulates sperm production in testes and ovulation in females, and the correct answer is option C, follicle stimulating hormone. Next question is, identify the correct pair from the following, and the correct answer is option B, that is parasympathetic stimulation result in secretion of gastric juice. Next question is, the number of subjects required in a phase 1 clinical trial is, and the correct answer is option A, 2200. Question is, to obtain a more effective bronchodilation, the drugs that are combined along with beta adrenoreceptor agonists are, and the correct answer is option A, cholinergic antagonist. Next question is, which of the following antipsychotic drugs at low doses is combined with antidepressants in treatment-resistant depression? And the correct answer is option C, risperidone. Next question is the management of type B adverse drug reaction is, and the correct answer is option B, to withhold the dose and avoid in future. Next question is avatacept, a fusion protein and a co-stimulation blocker used in the treatment of rheumatoid arthritis blocks the, and the correct answer is option A, activation of T cells. Next question is hemophilia A is a disease characterized by deficiency of, and the correct answer is option A, factor 8. Next question is the enzyme HMG coenzyme A reductase is involved in the pathogenesis of, and the correct answer is option A, atherosclerosis. Next question is rheumatic heart disease is caused by, and the correct answer is option A, streptococcal infection. Next question is which of the following is not a gene associated with breast cancer? And the correct answer is option D, CHRM1. Next question is which of the following is not true about the Ebola virus disease? And the correct answer is option B, antiviral drugs are approved by FDA to mitigate the infection. Next question is hypodermoclysis refers to which route of drug administration? And the correct answer is option C, subcutaneous. Next question is which of the following is the shortest acting cholinesterase inhibitors and listed below? And the correct answer is option C, adrophonium. Next question is which of the following is a suitable antidote for mercury poisoning? And the correct answer is option B, dimercaprol. Next question is histamine concentration is highest in, and the correct answer is option B, mast cells. Next question is select a alpha lactamase inhibitor, and the correct answer is option B, clavulanic acid. Next question is the mechanism of action of ciprofloxacin is, and the correct answer is option C, inhibition of DNA synthesis by interacting with topoisomerase. Next question is which of the following is not correct for myasthenia gravis? And the correct answer is option B, tuvocurarin is used to treat myasthenia gravis. Next question is which of the following describes the effect of sodium chromoglycate? And the correct answer is option B, mast cell stabilization. Next question is which of the following side effect of ACE inhibitors result from inhibition of bradykinin breakdown? And the correct answer is option D, dry cough. Next question is identify antihistamine drug with additional serotonin receptor blocking activity and good property. And the correct answer is option A, cyproheptadine. Next question is which of the following are the mechanism of action of digitalis glycoside? And the correct answer is option B, that is 1, 2 and 3, that is inhibition of sodium potassium adipase enzyme, reduction in the auriculoventricular conduction rate, and increase in cardiac output. Next question is the following is not true for furosemide, and the correct answer is option B, causes hypouricemia. Next question is which of the following about the varicella zoster virus is not true? And the correct answer is option C, there are no vaccines for this virus. So that's all for today's video. मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में. जो कि रहेगी GPAT 2019 ईयर। सो थैंक यू वेरी मच।